Hello guys, how are you doing and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for your support. It really means a lot. Today, let me take you to Kileleshwa, one of Nairobi's most popular neighborhoods, where we are touring this modern one-bedroom apartment that is not only stylish and comfortable, but also in a prime location. From here, you're just a short drive to Nairobi CBD, Westlands, Lavington, and even Ngong Road, making it one of the most convenient places to live or invest in. What's even better, this apartment is available for both long-term and short-term stays, giving you the flexibility to either settle in or enjoy it as a furnished rental.
Hi guys, how are you doing and welcome back to the channel. My name is Ernest and thank you so much for the support you guys are showing me. Guys, I don't even know what to say. The support has been really amazing. Today I'm in Kileleshwa. I have this one-bedroom apartment I would like to show you guys. If you're looking for one-bedroom apartment around Kileleshwa, Lavington and Ngong Road, this is the right one for you. If you enjoy this content, if you enjoy real estate content in Nairobi and Kenya in general, then please don't leave without subscribing, liking and sharing this video. Let's begin.
As you enter the apartment, you are welcomed by a small entry hall that immediately sets the mood. On the left side, there is a stylish cabinet with modern accessories that add character to the space and give you room for storage. Just next to it, on the opposite direction, there is a beautiful finished powder room with a sleek vanity and an LED backlit mirror that really stands out. What makes this space unique is its smart design. It works as a guest powder room from the living area, and at the same time, it connects to the bedroom as a private master bathroom. It's a clever layout that makes the apartment both practical and elegant. Moving into the living room, you will notice how spacious and bright it feels thanks to the large sliding glass doors that not only flood the space with natural light but also open up the balcony, extending your living area outdoors. The finishes are modern with clean lines and high quality details that give the space a sophisticated look. It's a room you can style any way you want, whether you keep it minimal or add more color and character. Next to the living room, the open-plan kitchen flows seamlessly into the space. It comes with sleek cabinets, a granite countertop, and fitted appliances that makes it ready to use. It's the kind of kitchen that makes both cooking and hosting easy. Whether you are preparing a quick meal or entertaining friends, the design makes everything feel effortless. Now let's head into the bedroom. This room is designed to be cozy yet spacious, with a large window that makes it feel bright and airy. There's plenty of wardrobe space, which is always a plus, and with the bathroom direct accessible, you have the convenience of an ensuite setup without losing the flexibility of a guest powder room. When it comes to lifestyle, this building really delivers. Imagine this, you finish work in the CBD around 5 p.m. and by 5:30 you're already home in Kileleshwa. Or maybe you work in Westlands, Lavington or along Ngong Road. You'll find the location just as convenient. That means less time in traffic and more time for yourself. You could be at the gym, cooking your modern kitchen, or just relaxing in your living room while the city rush stays behind. Now, let's talk about pricing, because this is where the apartment gets interesting. The building offers both unfurnished and furnished one-bedroom apartments. If you prefer unfurnished unit where you can bring in your own furniture and style, the rent is between 70,000 and 75,000 Kenya shillings per month. But if you want convenience of a fully furnished space ready to move in, the price is between 150,000 and 160,000 Kenya shillings per month. And for short-term stays, the furnished apartment is available for about 6,500 Kenya shillings per night, which is perfect if you want flexibility without committing to a long lease. For investors, this is an excellent opportunity. Furnished apartments, especially in prime areas like Kileleshwa, attract high returns, not just from long-term tenants, but also from platforms like Airbnb and Booking.com. That means your apartment can work as a comfortable home for professionals or as a smart investment property with great monthly income potential. So whether you're looking for your next home or your next big investment, this apartment in Kileleshwa is a great option. It combines location, style and flexibility in a way that is hard to find in Nairobi. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this tour, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Your support helps me keep bringing you the best of Nairobi's real estate, and I cannot wait to show you more amazing spaces. See you in the next video. Bye.